Oh my God. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by HermosaHair. They sent me another unit to try for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay. Your girl got her wine today because listen, it is my birthday month. Hello. So your girl gonna be sipping. Only a little bit because I got my trays in. One more. Now, before we get into this install, we are going to be touching on the hairline today. How to get your hairline and your lace blended for the glueless look, okay? The hairline is the eyes to the wig. I mean, that's where my eyes go when I see somebody with a wig. I want to see if I can clock it. If I can, that's okay. It's lace, it's fabric. But if you make me pause, gasp. I am here for it. So before we get into this lay down, slay down, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from HermosaHair. All the specs for my unit right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. Now, I have tried this color before, but I'm pretty sure this is only my second time working with this brand. I can't remember if I liked the first wig or not, but I will say already, I'm feeling how this color is looking on this wig. The curl is a loose curl texture. I did wash and condition my wig to get my smell out because it did have a slight chemical smell. I did notice the hair is a little frizzy in some places, especially the blonde streaks. So, you know, you may want to condition or deep condition your wig if you are not a fan of, you know, big frizz. Vanessa's gonna have big butt. But I'm not too worried about that. For my wigs, I'm a very like laid back wig wear. I'm not like into super defined parts, very sleek hair, putting all this effort into my wigs. I'm a very, I don't want to say I'm sloppy. I'm a very easy wig wear. Okay, I do enough to make it look good, and that's pretty much it. Today I am going to focus on my hairline because I do have some new followers, and some of you guys still ask me how I'm able to wear my wigs glueless. What do I do to my wigs to make sure they don't fly off my head? Even though I show you that in every single video, we're going to show you again and specify certain things so you know exactly what's going on around my head that's going to keep my wig on. Okay, they did send me an elastic band. Mine was already in my wig, but I took it out because I wanted to wash my wig and I don't like my band getting wet. My wig does come with the piano keys inserts, meaning you can put your elastic band anywhere on these 4 slots. Sometimes elastic bands come pretty much already in your wig, or you only get 1 slot and it'll sit too close on my ears, too far back, it just won't fit right. This will help your wig fit down. Okay, so first step, elastic band. If you don't have one, make sure you get one. Hermosa, make sure you sending out the elastic bands. Don't be forgetting them, okay? I think I'm gonna put it on 1, 2, the third one. Wait, I thought it was 4. Well, this one only has 3. This one looks like it has 4. Okay, Hermosa. Somebody didn't count. We're gonna work it out. We're gonna work it out. I'm gonna leave the elastic bands on the back on the wig as well, because I don't know if this wig is going to be big or small, and then I'll adjust as I need to. I don't know if I'm going to tint my lace. It has like a brownish tint to it, and I feel like if I tint it too much, it's going to be ashy. So I'm going to use, normally I use my 360, that's my mocha powder, but today I'm going to use toffee just to give it a slight deeper tint, but not too much. This is how I blend my knots. You don't have to do this. You can definitely go ahead and bleach your knots if you don't want to. But if you know, then you know. I don't bleach nothing but my whites. I tried it once, but it's not my ministry, so I don't do all that. But y'all gonna see the way I do my hairline, it's not even gonna matter. I'm not gonna put on my wig grip. Ooh, ow, Lord. I'm not gonna put on my wig grip just yet. I'm gonna wait and see how this wig fits on my head. Okay. That's actually a pretty good fit. This hairline is not heavily plucked. However, the density of this frontal is what's making this look a little bit more natual. It doesn't look super heavy around here, which I can work with. I don't need to go in and pull anything out. Y'all gonna see me use exactly what's on here. So I don't know what density this is. I know it goes up to like 220 if I'm not mistaken. I don't know if they sent me the 220. It doesn't feel like 220, but I could be wrong because this is a longer wig, and sometimes that, you know, that density kind of evens out across the units. But y'all know me, I will put all the specs for my wig down below in my description box. If you don't know how to get to my description box, look at the screen right now. I'm showing you right here. Okay, that is how you get to my description box. So y'all can stop cussing me out in the comments. Some of y'all really be going on my head about the links, and I just be like, sis, did you look? Like the comments literally be, why didn't you put the link? Oh my God. You cannot make it up. Never too much, never too much. I'm gonna cut my lace off. First I'm gonna cut it in 3. The reason I do this is just it makes it easier to see where I want my hairline to sit. Let me put my glasses back on. So I'm just gonna cut right in front of that. Because this is a curly wig, the hairline is a lot more forgiving. So I can pretty much mold it the way I want it. I can pretty much just cut this lace off using the guide of the hairline that's already on there. And then once I switch the hairs, I'll pretty much mold my front the way I want it to look. Y'all can see right now it's a little crooked. That's how they did that. So let me just, oh, it was twisted. Oops, sorry Hermosa, I was about to go in on y'all. I'm gonna use my Nairobi mousse and I'm gonna use that around the hairline. Two good, I keep putting that in my hair. 2 good sized pumps around the hairline. You can use whatever mousse you want to use. This is just what I'm using. This is a wrap mousse, so that's why I like to use it around my hairline because it helps shape it and mold it into place. Now, it does not give it a strong hold, just mold it in place. I mean, it's not gonna move unless you move it. See? See? Okay, there we go. Then I'm gonna use my fingers and I'm gonna swirl those curly hairs around my hairline. Keep playing with it. If you don't want too much going down, put some back. Get the sideburns down. Ooh, something's in my eye. Something is in my eye. All right, now I'm gonna take the band that they did send me. This wig is from Hermosa. Ooh-wee. Now for the hair, I'm gonna use my mousse again. Make sure this is even how I want it. Like I said, I did wash and condition my hair, so my smell is gone. Somebody did tell me in my last Think Wig video that that neutralizing shampoo actually helps with the smell. So I'm actually gonna try that on one of my wigs coming up and we'll see if it actually works. I want y'all to start giving me some ideas about, you know, how to take the smell out of the wig. And don't tell me peaches and onions. Who get the reference? Anybody? Let me spray it down with a little bit more water. It is drying down a little bit. Mousse, mousse, mousse. The tangling in this hair was a breeze. I didn't have a lot of tangles at all. I'm actually getting more tangles as it dries down. So clearly that means having this hair saturated with product or water will definitely make it a lot easier to work through your tangles. I'm getting some tangles at the end over here, but I got those through. Take your time, don't be pulling through your hair. If you got tension when you're brushing, meaning you're raking through the hair and you can feel it pulling out, don't do that. That's why your wig is shedding way too much. I did get some shedding with this wig, but I probably would have got more if I forced my brush through the hair, but I took my time and my hair is thanking me for it. I said my hair because it's on my head, but if your wig is shedding profusely, make sure you let the brand know, hey, I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing, and this wig is shedding too much. So I got questions that need answers immediately. And Hermosa, I hope that you have good customer service because y'all know I don't play, okay? I will get in the emails quickly. As the influencer, I know my pull, okay? So make sure what I'm getting, you're sending out to the people who are spending their money on these wigs, okay? What Bush say? Fool me once. Thank you. After brushing, I'm gonna use my fingers and finger coil or clump the hair together. I don't think this wig has layers. I think it's pretty much all one length. Are my dogs outside? They awfully quiet. Get in, work it in. Comb it out. I love when the hair clumps together, child. Finger coil the front. Those blonde pieces are starting to peek through with the frizz. So make sure you clump those really good and saturate that with the product. Get some clumps in the back. Get some clumps in the back. Okay, so I'm gonna let it air dry for a bit, do my quick makeup look, then we'll come back, diffuse and fluff the hair, and then we'll see how this hairline is looking. Our focus today is the hairline and blending your lace in and making sure it's sitting right in the lights and outside. So here is how the curls are looking. We are all dried down. Go ahead and take this band off and see what the hairline is looking like. Okay, that's what I want. Don't worry, we're gonna get it together. Get your brush. Y'all see how all the hair is kind of switched around? We're gonna use our brush, we're gonna push it back, push it down, shape that hairline. I also need to blend in my makeup. We're gonna get to that in a second. My part, actually I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna brush that back up here. Brush this down, brush it back, brush it down, brush it back. It down. Ooh, I need to blend my makeup. Hold up. I normally don't put concealer on my forehead, but I did today. So now it's looking a little janky jank. Use my contour brush. Fix up the rest of my contour. I don't think I need to put any excess product on my lace because it's looking pretty good with how I tinted it before I put it down. You can definitely see it right there, but if I swoop it down, you can't really see it as much. Okay. Ow. Oh, that actually hurt, child. God, what in the world? Oh, I need to shave. Take the clips off. Hairline looking good. I'm using my light silk spray just to add some more smell good to the hair and give it a little shine. I could put some powder in my parting space. I mean, you don't have to if you don't want to, but I'm gonna do it today. Okay, press that in, and I think we are done. My hair is getting a little frizzy on this side. Let's fix that, because I don't know why it's like that, and it's kind of throwing my look off a little bit. And that's something to note. When my wigs get frizzy, I don't go back in and rewash them and redefine them. I don't do all that, okay? Because I don't wear my wigs every single day, and I don't wear them to sleep. So I'm not putting a bunch of product on the hair. Now, I will go in and, you know, use my dry shampoo to kind of cleanse it a little bit. Not really cleanse it, but to get any smells out, if there's some outside smells in it. And then I'll go back in and touch up certain areas with mousse. But the more my wigs look lived in, the better I like them. Make sure my sides are down where I want them. And then I'm gonna put my glasses over top the lace, like that. Okay. If you don't wear glasses and you need extra security around your ear, all you do is pull it down, take your bobby pin, gonna bobby pin it behind your ear, going towards the front of the wig. There we go. Hold your ear down, bobby pin it behind your ear, and push the bobby pin towards the front of the wig. But I think that's it for the look. Ooh, wait. Okay, so here's the final look. What are we thinking? The hairline is hairlining. You hear me? It looks good. I like how it frizzed up and gave me a more natural look around my hairline to kind of hide my lace if I need to do that. Still glueless on my hairline. Nothing is glued down. Still glueless, okay? When you step outside, your lace may be a different color than it is inside. The key that I have found works for me is to blend your lace in front of a window with natural light that's a little shaded. You don't want direct sunlight, because that direct sunlight is still gonna give you a natural filter on your lace. That is not what the natural eye sees when it sees you, okay? Trust me. Lace is still fabric, it's not skin, so you're still gonna be able to see it regardless. Depending on the goodness of the lace, you may not see it as much, but you will still see it, okay? As far as the price point, let's see, because I don't remember how much this wig is. Okay, so the specs that I'm supposed to have is the 18-inch 13x4 normal edges, 220% density. It's definitely not giving me the weight of a 220. But if I'm moving the hair up, I'm not seeing a bunch of gaps in there. So maybe. You can also get this in a 4x4 closure or a 5x5 closure, depending on what you want, okay? That means a closure right in the middle. You don't have to get all the lace all the way around. I wanted my lace all the way around just in case I did an up style, I could have my edges down. I don't gotta worry about trying to blend a closure in. Even though it's possible, okay, because y'all have seen me do it. Hello. The coupon code that I have does take up to $55 off. I don't know how much it's gonna take off this wig, but my specs without the coupon code is $219 for a 13x4 HD lace, plucked hairline, highlighted curly wig, under $200. Okay, Hermosa. Okay. The curls clumped out really nicely. I'm a big fan of the color. I think this is a good wig, Hermosa. So you may or may not need to call Daddy Papa, depending on your funds. The holidays are coming, so go ahead and tell him release the wallet strings, okay, immediately. But that's all I got for y'all today. Shout out one more time to HermosaHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.